Hello traders, welcome to Trade Hotspot. So because today at evening on New York session I'll not able to come. So because of that today I came for you, all of you my traders. So I'm here right now on the front of you on London session, right? So guys, let's see. I'm not wasting any time, your time. So let's go on the chart. What is going to happen? We are going to discuss right now, and definitely we will take a trade here if we got any great opportunity as per our trading model, right? So let's go and do analysis right now. So you can see gold is trying to move up from here, right? So after the Friday night, you can see at morning session, SAR session, right? The gold is trying to move up right now. Gold is on its resistance point. You can see this is an retracement here. You can see if you go into 1 hour chart, and you can see this is a retracement, but it can be a reversal also, right? So we have to be careful, and we have to do carefully trading right now, right here, right? We are not going to do a long, right, swing trade here, right? Any swing trade we are not going to do. We are just scalping here, right? So for that you can see this is an 5% retracement gold is now taking here, right, at this point. So can plot the Fibonacci like that from this point to this low, this high from this low. You can see this is an 5%, approximately 5%, 0.5% level here is coming, right? So one more like one time here you can see it's tested here and it's trying to move down, but again it's moving up. And if you plot the Fibonacci for the short term swing, then you can see the 5% coming here and taking a retracement right now. So we are not going with the Fibonacci here, right? I just want to explain, like this is an resistance here, like gold is now taking, like in 15 minutes you can plot that resistance here, right? Accordingly, right, according to your, like that. So this is a retracement here, and it's near to your its retracement. So at this time I'm thinking for sale here, or like in 5-minute chart. If you see the gold, you can see here this is an you can see consolidation is going on here, right? This is a consolidation part is here right now on 5-minute chart, right? So it's trying to move, like grabbing the liquidity of this zone and then can pull down, right? So I'm thinking at least one downside movement in this in the gold right now. So this is a liquidity sweep here, right? This candle is showing there is a liquidity sweep, but let's see, this is a green candle, so I'm waiting here to close this candle right now. So what we'll do till closing this candle, there is a 3:30. On 3:30 this candle will close. So till now we will look out into NASDAQ and US 500, right? So let's see what is doing here, US 500 and NASDAQ right now. So you can see there is a consolidation, right? It's taking some rejection from downside and moving, like trying to move upside. So what we'll do, there is a no movement right now, but we will think for scalp here, right? Here is an support level, you can see, right? On that support is trying to move up. So first time it's attempting like move to up, facing some rejection here, and at this point again if it will face some rejection, then definitely we can plan buy side entry here, right? So right now the green candle is going to form here, right, taking some liquidity from this side. So in this chart also, in SPX 500, US 500, you can see the EY, we will wait for this close of candle. Okay, to close this candle we will wait. Maybe same thing is going to happening right now on US 100 also, right? NASDAQ 100, you can say. So this is an support here for NASDAQ 100 also. So this is also taking some rejection here, like this upside move, and this is a retracement here, and this is a support point and taking some support from this point. So what will do, we will wait here for liquidity sweep candle is currently going to happening right now. So what will do, we will just wait to close this candle on 3:30. This candle will close, and then we will see our entry model in small time frame, right? So this is an analysis of US 100 in US 500 right now, so you can see, right? So I think everything is fine. My audio, video, everything is fine, right? I would like to check once, so it confirms like me, I'll be comfortable to move forward. But analysis also, the analysis parts also be done, right? Top to bottom analysis we have done. So it's time to take trade, and I don't want any trouble here, right? Yes, everything is fine. My voice is clear. Yeah, both sides my voice is clear on Kick platform and on the YouTube also, right? So we can move ahead right now. So you can see this candle is getting close right now. So this is a liquidity sweep here for gold, but gold is on its rejection zone right now. So I'm not thinking to buy gold here, right? This is a point to go buy the gold, this is a point to buy the gold, but this is not a point where we can buy right now, because it's a top and it's near to its resistance. You can see the gold is moved down from this side, this point. So we will not sell, or we will not buy this point. Like we can sell here, there should be a strong confirmation for selling, like a strong rejection candle or something, like point of interest area should be here to take an entry for short, right, for gold. So what we'll do, we will focus to US 500 or NASDAQ here. Like I can see the best pattern or best entry model is going to form here, right? So I'm especially look here for US 500 or US 100 instead of taking opportunity into gold. Right now gold is not movable asset right now, right? It's a consolidating at this point right now. Here you can see it's consolidating from 1 2 3 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes is there, and it's consolidating here, right? So we will wait for to close off this candle. Let's see what is going to happen right now. Like this is an consolidation, you can see here so many times rejected from the top side, but bottom side also there is an rejection here for the gold. So it's an consolidation sideways area for the gold. So we will look into US 500 or US 100 right now here, right? So it's an support zone, so we can think for long or buy here, right? So please wait here. I'm especially waiting to close the 15-minute candle here, right? So this is an 15-minute chart, so you can see this will be an rejection, right? This is a liquidity sweep here. So this candle is going to complete in 2 minutes only, right? 1 minute, last 1 minute is remaining right now. You can see 3:39:29 is there, and this candle is going to close in green side, maybe. Let's see. We can go 1 minute chart and we can plan our entry model here, right? So I think this candle is going to close on downside right now because the movement is come on downside, and this is the last minute, you can say. And if at this point this candle is not an rejection candle, then we will not look here for buy, guys. So let's see, maybe it will not give the opportunity to buy at this point, because the candle is like a 15-minute candle is not an rejection candle. This is an downside continuation candle, you can see. So this candle is completed right now, you can see in the 15-minute chart, and this is not a proper rejection candle here. So we will wait here, guys, for confirmation. Another 15 minutes we need to wait here, right? Will not go for confirmation of 5 minutes or any other time frame. It's more than 15-minute time frame, it should be, right? The bigger time frame, 15 minutes onward, 1 hour or 4 hour time frame it should be, right? So I'm not able to see here any position or any proper area. You can see in NASDAQ also there is a liquidity sweep is going to happen right now, but let's see. I'm not thinking like it is right now. Like this is a retracement, you can see. There should be a strong confirmation, right? Not to look to BTC, but here you can see the gold. I'll try to look for sale at this point, like small scale for selling side we can plot here, but I need a strong rejection candle here right now on 15-minute time frame onwards. So I'm waiting for 15-minute time frame right here to get an entry. Let's see, guys, what is going to happen here. You guys also can wait for best trading opportunity right now. There will be movement and you should have to wait right now. You can see this is an upside movement in the NASDAQ, right? If the NASDAQ shows 15-minute candle here, right, rejection candle, then definitely I was ready to buy here at this point. In US 500 also I'm looking for buy, but as you see, this is not a rejection candle, so I have to wait again. BTC, this is the consolidation, right? You can see there's some buying indication here at the point, but it's then consolidation. Sideways market is in BTC, so especially I'm not going to trade in the BTC, right? I'm not interested in BTC right now. I was interested in NASDAQ 100 or US 500, but as you can see, it never gives a confirmation here, right? So I want a strong confirmation. In NASDAQ 500 we can go confirmation of 5-minute candle here, like this is an changing state in 5 minutes right now is forming, right? Last 1 minute is remaining, is a changing state, you can see. Sorry, so this is a changing state, right? After the changing state we will look here for so like that we have an opportunity here, right? This is an FVG in 1 minute, like this is a move, it's coming in the small scalping we can do here, right? 28 point SL, and against we are getting 1:2 reward here, right? So we'll think to buy at this point, right? So this is a movement, it is going to happen here. This is not confirmation on 15-minute candle like liquidity sweep, but here you can see, say like this is a liquidity sweep here, right now. So this will be a movement here, maybe in NASDAQ 100. So I'd like to go for long at this point, at the tap in into the right, tapping into this fair value gap. So there should be a retracement here in the NASDAQ 100. US 100. There will be some retracement. That's it, guys. Let's see it's coming or not. One down. Same thing you can do in the US 500 also, right? There is also some change in state I can see here, right? Same, both are moving. So this is unchanging state here, you can see this and fair value gap, right? Or here there is a fair value gap. So a tap in you can enter in the both. So I'm especially waiting for to retrace at this point. I hope that it will be retraced or not, I don't know. It should have to retrace, right? At least at this area. In gold there is no any move right now, you can see no any move in the gold. So it's a liquidity sweep right now going to form in the gold. Let's see what will happen in the gold. I'm very excited here in the gold as well as into the NASDAQ, or you can see US 500. So it's moving towards our target, but we don't got any entry at this point, right? So I'm especially looking for one retracement after this move. There should be some retracement here, right? This is a rejection point, and from that point there should be a retracement. I hope it will give the chance to enter in the trade or not. Maybe it is not giving the chance to enter in the trade. Let's see, guys. Like, I waited here, but never got any opportunity. No worries, guys. You'll get another opportunity here. Don't regret, because entry model is your part of strategy and you should have to follow that, right? So I told the BTC also trying to move up here, right? This is an signal to move upside, so you can go for long here, right? So those who take an entry at this point, then you should have to keep stop loss here, and you maybe got your profit right now. So you should have to move out from your trade in the gold. Especially gold, I'm waiting for 15-minute candle liquidity sweep or any strong signal. Till that, I'm looking for NASDAQ 100 here, right? There should be some reaction here in the NASDAQ, retracement here in the NASDAQ. So wait, guys. The pending FPG is there, pending order block is there, but NASDAQ is never wants to come that, right, on this point of area. So there should be, like you can see, it's moved continuously upside. You can see there is a moment in the market right now. So gold is taking rejection here. This is strong rejection candle is going to happen a form here. So let's wait for 15-minute candle closing. So it's an 341. There is only 4 minutes left to close this candle. So after closing this candle, I'll wait for a strong rejection here and then for downside movement, right? There should be some downside movement because this is an rejection area, right? So maybe this can be a breakout here. Let's see, we will wait for confirmation, right? So this is an, you can see, buying point here. At this point there is a buying here. In chart, you can see you can enter here at this point, right? Like, this is a small scale which gives you minimum 2 ratio here, right? You can enter here at this fair value gap, right? So let's see, guys, we are not ready for that moment, right? We are thinking like this is an rejection area, so gold can move down from this area. Let's see, guys, there is an upside movement in the market right now. There should be some rejection, there should be some retracement here, then and then only there will be potential in the market to move up. So still I'm waiting for this entry in the NASDAQ, guys. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Okay, this is an alert, right? This is an alert, so I want to delete it. It's not deleting here. No issues. You can see this is a rejection here, right? We are waiting in the market from 30 minutes. So this is a movement, but here you can see there is some rejection in area also, right? Let's wait for more retracement here so we can buy at this point in the gold also, right? I need some retracement at this point. Here's a retracement we can buy at this point in the US 500 or US 100. You can see I've never seen any strong entry model or action candle here. There's a candle in 5 minutes, but I'm not interested, as you know. In 5 minute candle I'm not trusting. So let's see, guys. This is an point of interest. You can see here. There is the order block here, right? As you can see. So let's see if one more time NASDAQ will come at this point of interest area, then definitely we can go for long, guys. Let's see, guys. Like you can do the small scalp here also, right? Like you can do short here and you can put your SL on this point, and under that you'll get the 1:2 here, right? So according to, you can do the short also here, right, on this area. The small scalp you can do here, right? This is an rejection area, right? So this is a rejection area. So actually this is buying, right? This is the buying, but this is a small trade, small scalp you can do here, right? But main focus is on buying side here, okay, or at this point of interest. Now you can see your entry is done here, right? Your entry is done here on this candle. Your entry is done here. If those who are taken the small scalp here, their entry is done here, right? So for this you can plan your 50% here. About this is an 50% profit booking here at this area. Here will be at this area your 75%. Okay, so this is small scalp, guys. This is a small scalp for you all. Because this is an rejection area, right? And here you can see in 5-minute chart there is a rejection from upside, like it's a liquidity sweep here. So if you go on 3-minute chart, you can see there is a change in state right now is going to happen, but there is a change in state in 1-minute charts, right? So you can see there is a fair value gap I have seen here, right? This is an fair value gap, right? If which market movement is on upside only. This is a small scalp, right, on opposite side of the trend, right? So your entry is just tapping into the FVG right here, and you are waiting for your targets. Let's see what will happen, guys. Here I think there should be some retracement in the gold, in the NASDAQ. There should be some retracement because it's moved long continuously, so there should be some retracement here. Let's see, guys. What will you can put your SL on cost to cost or above the swing, right? If you don't want to lose more. It's a small scalp, small quantity with small target, you can see, and you can put your stop loss on cost right now because it's moved down from your cost, right? So you can move your stop loss on the cost, right? If it will move up from this point, then definitely you will never lose anything in this chart, in this trade. You think this trade is opposite sides of your direction and you are not comfortable 100%, then you can move your stop loss on your cost. There is some rejection here at this point. Let's see what will happen. But there should be some downside movement here. Yes, it's done, guys. Now our 50% is profit booking done. Here you can see your stop loss will be on your cost right now. Right now 100% you have to move your stop loss on your cost here. Right, this is an SL here at this level. Right, we have got 50% profit in this trade. 50% profit is booked here on this trade, so your stop loss will be on your cost. Right, so it's moving down towards our 75%. Let's see what will happen. It's a just small scalp, so you don't have to wait a long time for this trade, right? Because just scalp and it's very opposite direction to the trend, so it's just small scalp, right? It's just retracement win, and we are trying to capture this retracement. So because of that I have taken the trade to capture the retracement only, right? So 50% profit we have booked here. Now I'm strongly waiting for 75%. What I'll do, I'll book my 75% here, right, this point, because I know this is an uptrend, right? You know, guys, and this is an FVG 3-minute FVG tap in. So for that, what I'll do, I'll keep my 75% target here. I'll strongly wait for my 100% profit here for the remaining 25% quantities here, but definitely I'll like to book my 75% on this trapping of this fair value gap here, on which is on 3-minute candle, 3-minute or 5-minute chart. You can see right here, this is 5-minute. So we have booked our 50% profit here, and now our KSL is on cost, so we don't worry in this trade because we are not losing anything. We booked some profit in this trade, so strongly wait for your next targets. What do you think, guys? It will give our 75% profit here or not? I'm looking for 100% here, because you can see, you can plot here, and Fibonacci ratio, then you can see there is a 50% here and 60% is here, right? And we have plot our 60% level target on 60% level, 0.6%, right? 0.618 level, right? So on just 0.5 level we have our 75% target, right? So don't think anything like it's so. Just wait for your targets, guys. We got our first target, 50% target, so wait for 100% also. 75% also here. What is going on, right? What happened to cake? Why this is oh my god, it's a big move. You can see we got our 100% profit here in a one candle, you can see. So this is a very powerful trade. You can see we got our 100% profit here. It's never gives to book your 75% profit. It's directly gives you 100%. Like after 50% remaining 50% quantity you get here on 100% level, right? 100% target you booked here in this trade. So this is a V-shaped reversal right now. It's going here. So this is our first trade here. A small trade, small quantity, and very great profit here, right? This trade is like that, like its SL is on this top, right? So it's a very small trade, small SL, like you can plot here also. Like we initially our SL is here only, like there is a 1:2 ratio we have plot here, right? So accordingly on this against of this 2 ratio we got on this SL 13 point SL we got here 27 points. So this is a very big target, you can say, big scalp here, you can say, guys. So this is done. This first trade is done here, right? So what we'll do here, this is an point of interest, right? So especially right now I would like to go into gold. Okay, check gold because I'm strongly waiting here for gold. There is no any, you can see this can be an rejection, right? And I would like to check here that this is an rejection or not. So this is an rejection, guys. This is an rejection right here for gold. Also this is an rejection. So this is a 15-minute rejection. So what we'll do, we will plan, you can see this is a rejection candle in 5 minutes also. So what we'll do, we will wait for change state here in 5 minutes. There is a change state in 5 minutes also, right? So what we'll do, we can plan our entry here at this point. This is a short entry here at this level or on this level you can do, and you can plot your stop loss here at this point, and against that you can get the 1:2 target here also in the gold also, right? So our second entry also done right here, you can see, guys. I'm looking short for gold from long time, so I got the opportunity here right now. So this is an scalp, this is also an scalp, right? The small scalp with small quantity. So first trade is done. It is a second trade we got here, right? You have also an opportunity here right now, and you can make your entry here, right? So this is your SL. You can give space here like 50 pips SL. You also can give to the market because we have first trade into the green area, or you can say the buy, like you are in profit, right? So on the basis of that you can plot your target here, right? The target will be not more than this. So what I'll do, I'll keep my SL above the swing only, right? I'll not give the room here, right? So it's fine, guys. Why I've taken entry here, you can see in 15 minutes this is an rejection, right? This is an rejection. You can see if I'll remove all this thing here, I can not able to see the candle information here, right? So it's fine, it's perfectly fine. Like we have checked in the smaller time frame, like by zooming in this chart, right? like you can see like that. I'll show you again. So as you can see here, this is an liquidity sweep here, right? So this is an liquidity sweep here, like that. You can see this high is greater than this high, right? So this is an template. You can see the liquidity sweep. Where is the liquidity? Yes, liquidity sweep. This is an liquidity sweep here, right? I'll make it move bigger, right? So as you can see, it's a liquidity sweep here. After that, if I go into 5-minute chart, you can see there is a change in state also, right? Here the last green candle, and you can see there is a change in state here. Here also there is a change in state, but there is no confirmation here, but there is just a confirmation with change in state right now here, right? So after that, I go into the 1-minute chart. You can see there is an fair value gap is here at this area. So this is a FVG area where it's like currently the market is moving, right? And what I done, like at the tapping of this FVG, like there is here right now, so I take an entry here at this candle. So template, it's an FVG, right? What happened to this? Okay, this is an FVG, right? So gold is trying to reject from this area, like this is an point of interest. So let's see. I'm strongly waiting here, like this is a liquidity sweep, so there should be downside movement in the gold, right? We got our first target, right? So we don't care like if we will lose this trade, because this trade is very trade with very small quantity. So we are in profit right now. So this will be the 50% target booking here. Here will be 75%. Okay. So this is entered here right now, guys. So as you can see, it's struggling here at this point, like to move any side, right? It is below to our cost. Let's see what will happen here, guys. This is our second trade. We got our first trade in the NASDAQ. You can see this is a small scalp we have made, and we got the 100% profit in this trade, right? It's very good trade. You can see, if I look into the 5-minute chart, there is a rejection from the top side, you can see, for gold right now. So after this movement, like gold should retrace like here and move up, but it's not able to move again, like to give the move like that, like this move. So this move should have again into the market after this retracement, but there is not an move like this, right? So because of that, the gold is facing some rejection here at this level. So there should be a retracement from or rejection from the top for the gold. So because of that, gold should have to come down to take an rejection or take an retracement and move up. Like now it's coming down. Let's see, it will give our 50% and 75% or 100% profit here right now. Let's see. I'm waiting, guys. Now it's below to our cost. Let's see, guys. This is a trade with multiple confirmation, right? It's having strong confirmation than previous trade, right? You can see it's trying to move down right now. By looking to the 15-minute candle, it should have to come down. To take some retracement here, right? Let's see, guys. So I don't want to lose more in this trade because first trade is my profit. So what we can do, right? We can take your SL in this swing, like recent swing, on the recent swing. So your SL is very SL 20 pips. Like you are not losing anything here in this trade, right? Because if this swing will break, then definitely we'll try to come up to break or sweep out the liquidity of this. So I don't want to lose anything in this trade. So because of that, I tell my SL on this swing. So it's fine. It's near to my cost, right? It's very near to my cost, and you can see I'm not losing much more in this trade because my first trade is in positive. So this is our second trade here, right? Let's see, today's market will give more opportunities or not. There should be a movement in the market, like downside movement in the gold. Let's see, guys. Like it came back near to order block because this is all order block area, right? You can see this is the OB here, right? Order block. There is a movement in downside, but why I don't know. There is some rejection from downside also. So let's see. To now the movement is coming in the market, right? Let's see. The gold should have to move down fast and quick right now. After this breaking of this level, we will keep our SL on cost to call because I don't want to lose anything on this in this trade, right? Because it's just small scalp. Its SL is on this side. So what we'll do, we will book our 50% profit here, right? We book our 50% profit here and take our remaining quantity SL will be here, right? Like that. Let's see, guys. It will come down definitely, I know, but I never want to lose anything in this trade, so I'm booking my 50% profit here. Slowly I'm booking here, right, in the green area, because this is a rejection area, right? You can see this is a rejection area and it's trying to break, but there is some rejection from bottom side here, right? You can see, guys, there is some rejection, so I booked my 50% profit here. So yeah, have chance you can also book your 50% profit and make your SL on this our cost, right, on your cost. why I booked my 50% profit here, because this is a rejection area. You can see there is a upside movement from this area only, right? First attempt and second attempt to this level like to break, and this is the third attempt. So I never think like it can be break or it can be move, right? It can be a retracement or it can be a rejection. So because of that, I booked my 50% profit here at this level. My 75% is here only, right? At this level only. Okay, at this level only, my 75%, right? At this level only, and 100% is here only, right? 100% is here only. So let's see, I don't want to lose anything, so because of that I booked my 50% profit in this trade. So once again it's trying now. 15-minute candle also closed, and the next candle is here right now. So I hope it will come down and break this level here. Now I don't have anything to lose in this trade. My SL is on cost, as well as I booked my 50% profit here, right? At same level I booked my 50% profit. Oh my god, it's coming down, right? It's coming down, it's moved down, and you can see here also you can able to book your 50% profit. So you're not losing in this trade anything. You can book your 50% profit here also. So it's fine, it's perfectly fine, guys. It's a very strong level. You can see it's tried to reject in this area, so I thought it can be retrace upside, right? So because of that we booked here 50%, but definitely we can wait, and I'm waiting here for my 75%, and you can see here for 100% quantities, remaining quantities, right? So it's coming down like near to our 75% target. On second trade also very fine and very perfect. You can see, guys, here green side only, right? I hope you all getting the profit here in your account right now, because it's a 75% profit booking time, and I'm booked my 75% profit here also, right? I got my 75% profit here, and remaining will be, I'll keep my SL on this point, right? This will be my SL area on 50%. Remaining 25% quantities I'm putting here on the SL, like trailing SL near to my 50%, where I booked my 50% profit, right? So it's coming down. It's very good trade. You can say it's very perfect logic I've seen here on the front of you only, guys, and you can see I getting my 75% profit. I got my 75% profit on this level, right, guys? You can also book your 75% profit here and make your SL or trail your SL in the 50% area, so you are safe and you will be very profitable in this trade, right? So I'm waiting for my remaining 25% quantities here for or at this point, at this level, right? On 80 pips, 84 pips, right? Like you are currently achieved your this trade, like 60 pips you achieved in this trade till now. So this is a very small but very strong scalp, you can see here we got. So you already seen our first trade, like we got the profit in this trade here. Like this is a very small scalp also, and we got our 100% profit here. Like this trade is not able to give the 50% to book the 50% profit. We directly book our 50% remaining quantities on the 100% target, right? And now the gold is also here to give us like 100% target. So this is a very strong and powerful trade we got here, right guys? Both trades are very strong. You can say there is a logic behind this trade, and already I explained all logic here. Like I waited for half hour, I had not done anything, and I saw the market what is doing. After that I've taken the entry, and this is a sniper entry or sniper scalping, you can see guys. Let's see, still we are in this trade like for our 25% remaining lots, right? Then perfect trade we got here. Those who not joined, they missed their trades here guys. You can see onward. Those people who are not joined yet, they are miss these trades, miss the logics, miss all the things here, right? How we manage both this trade, right? Our first trade is here in the NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ trade also our in positive, like we got 100% profit, and currently the gold is trade running. We booked our 75% profit here. Remaining 25% ASL is here and target is here, you can see. Continuous back to back two trades, we are in the green side. And for remaining 25% lots, I'm strongly waiting here for target 100% target level or trailing, as you can say. It's on our 50% area, right, where I booked my 50% profit here. So this is a London session, but very powerful trade here we got. One kick 42694, the most affordable voting service. What are you spamming here, bro? Not getting what you are spamming on chat. One kick. What are you spamming? Like, I'm not getting what you're spamming here. Please don't do spam. So guys, it's near to our 50% ESL, so we are booked our remaining ESL quantities here. Now you can see we got our profit here, right? So this is a trade we are done today with these trades, and we got our very nice, very decent profit here, right? So thank you so much guys for today. We will meet tomorrow. Like, this is a 1 hour session. I know it's a very small session, but I know I do trade only 2 or 3 times, so 2 times it's done already and we are in profit. So why we do third trade here to lose our money, right? So I'll not do trade, I'll just keep watching to the market, right? What will happen here, right? So this is all about our trade today's, right? So you can see I'll explain all again, right? We have taken 2 trades. Our first trade is in NASDAQ. You can see this is our trade for sale only. So here there is a logic I explained. You can check, you can go back and check out what is the logic behind this trade, right? And after this trade, I've taken second trade in the gold here on the front of you only. So we have entered here and we got the profit, 75% profit in this trade, and remaining 50% here. So we got more than 50% profit in this trade, right? So I'm very happy. Like, this trade is very fine, like it's perfect and very decent profit we got here, right? And this trade logic also I explained, as you know, like you can go back and check out what is the logic behind this trade and all the things, how I managed my all the quantities here, how I book by 50% and 75%. All this thing you can check out, guys, by watching once again this live stream or live video, right? So thank you so much. So if you want to make profit, decent profit like that, or if you want to follow my channel and subscribe to my channel, and daily you have to join. Like, I'm not scheduling my streams like I'm scheduled, but before 5 minutes I schedule, so you should have to get the notification each and every video or each and every stream, right? So for that you have to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my all sessions. So then and then only you can learn everything from start to end, and you will be able to book profits like that, decent profits like that in the market, right? Whatever I am booking right now or doing right now, right? So now gold is moved back to it's a retracement and moving downside to hit our target, which is here, right? So I'm not waited here, right? I am put in my 25% lot ESL on this side and came out from this trade, because I have already booked my 50 and 75% profit here. So I got more than 50% profit in this trade. So I'm very happy, right? This is a money management part, like trade management part, you can say, right? It's come into the money management, right? So how do you manage your money, all the things you will get to know here only. So for that you have to follow, guys. So thank you so much, guys. We will meet tomorrow once again. I'll never come into the New York session today. I have some work, I have to go anywhere, so because of that I'll not able to come tuning a New York session. So for that I especially came into the London session and done trade on the front of you guys. So let's see you all guys on tomorrow, London session or New York session, any one session. Especially I'll come tomorrow also on London session, also London session only. So you guys have to come on London session, like after, like at morning or on London session. I'll schedule my stream, right? So no worries, guys. Follow me on YouTube and follow me on Kick also, right? So bye, take care, and good afternoon.